Hello everyone, today we are going to make tomato and mint rice with Spicytude Rice Pilaf Spice mix. Let's start by slicing tomato, onion, mint and garlic. Put a pan over medium heat, add some oil and toast the rice pilaf spices. Add your garlic and cook until it's golden brown. Add onion, curry leaves and chillies. Cook until the onions are golden brown. Add your tomatoes and mint and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Add rice, water, salt and cook until almost all the water is evaporated. Cover and reduce to low. Cook for 5 minutes. Add your ghee and it's ready to serve.
Looks so yummy.
Thank you for cooking with me.